Viper Cache is the only cache on the market that clears and rebuilds the cache on the page you are working on and the relevant associated pages, saving you bandwidth. Viper Cache is the easiest and the fastest cache plugin on the market with almost no server lag. Caching is the #1 way to speed up any WordPress site. However, all current cache plugins have problems which affect user experience and site performance. Problem number 1, current cache plugins are complicated. You need a universe at 80° to find your way around cache settings nowadays. Get just one setting wrong and your site breaks. Problem number 2, free cache plugins are frequently hacked. There's been 33 registered vulnerabilities in popular cache plugins in the last 3 years alone. Users are left with the choice of either gambling with their site security by using free cache products or using inferior underperforming paid plugins. I have included the link to get Viper Cache at amazing discount in the link below this video. Kindly click on it to get started immediately. Problem number 3, current cache plugins hog your processor, memory. Through inefficient cache clearing and cache preloading, say you have a site with 100 pages and you make one text change to one page. Then with current cache plugins all 100 cached pages will be deleted and your site now has to rebuild every cached page, hogging your server processor and memory. This problem gets worse the bigger your site. Problem number 4, clashes with many common themes and plugins. Over-engineered cache plugins have a nasty habit of playing God with many themes and plugins giving you errors and white screens of death. The best paid plugin is not as fast as expected. The best paid product on the market was outperformed by its free alternatives. Independent tests carried out by designbombs.com in October 2017 showed that Rocket Cache, the #1 paid cache plugin, was outperformed by 2 free plugins. Introducing a new solution called Viper Cache. I have included the link to get Viper Cache at amazing discount in the link below this video. Kindly click on it to get started immediately. Viper Cache makes your WordPress sites up to 10x faster in 30 seconds with the cache that beats all competitors and speed up your WP sites before you get hit by the Google speed slap. Not to mention the price. If you want to use the best paid plugin on the market, it's going to set you back $199 plus more for ongoing support and updates. So be sure to check out Viper Cache, which is on a 69% off right now, and it comes with full agency license too. Viper Cache was 77% faster than competitors. Make your WP sites up to 10x faster in one click. Built on super reliable cache technology, compatible with 99% of themes and plugins. They created a brand new cache product that is super easy to use and still provides unrivaled performance. Compatibility, speed and your site reliability is their #1 priority. Stupidly simple to use. Just enable. Viper Cache does not care about trying to squeeze an extra 1% performance if it risks their user experience or if it means they break themes or plugins. They have no intentions of playing God with other people's products. This product is built for peak performance but not at the expense of user experience. Smart cache clearing and smart rebuilding, detects minor changes and auto-rebuilds cache on popular pages. Viper Cache monitors all site changes including loading new themes, plugins, widgets, graphics, new posts, pages. Upon any major change to your site, Viper Cache will auto-clear and rebuild your cache. If the change is minor, such as small text change on one page, Viper Cache logic will sense this and rebuild the cache on that page and essential pages, leaving the cache on other pages intact. Their smart logic bypasses WordPress standard processing delays. This massively reduces your server load, keeps your site fast and reduces the need for you to upgrade your hosting plan. Viper Cache blocks 1000 plus bad bots and auto-blocks hot linking. If the primary purpose of cache is to speed your site up and reduce bandwidth, then any feature that increases the site workload has to be eliminated, which is why they made Viper Cache very light. They've also auto-blocked hot linking, which is a common way for others to use your bandwidth. And you have the option to block known bad bots and site scrapers. Again, there is no reason why these pests should be allowed to eat your resources and slow your site down. This of course also helps to weather those attacks too. Viper Cache compatible with all major page builders plus multi-site, ecom, and Cloudflare compatible. Designed for max speed, bandwidth reduction and ease of use. Thank you for watching this Viper Cache review, and don't forget that I have included the link to get Viper Cache at an amazing discount in the link below this video. Kindly click on it to get started immediately.